Hi, good day everyone, and welcome to the OneSolve YouTube channel. You are here with Yashin, and today I'm going to showcase a little brief demo on how to use the basic shell function. So in order to use the shell command inside of Inventor, what you'll need is a solid feature that has been created already, and what the shell command will allow you to do is quickly hollow this out by removing material. Now, in order to start the shell command, we simply have to go to our ribbon, toggle on the button, and you'll see it actually start the function automatically. So it already has applied a shell. In order to hollow this out correctly, we have to make some definitions inside of the dialog box, which will be to remove a face. So to remove a face, all I have to do is simply head over to my model and decide which side of the component is going to be hollowed out. And once we make that selection, you'll notice that the part now has a uniform wall thickness throughout. So inside of this dialog box, there is a couple things you can do. You can define which direction the thickness of your shell is going. So you've got a couple of options over there on the inside of your profile. Alternatively, you can use outside or symmetric about either side. Once you've got the correct definition, all you have to do is simply change the wall thickness to your liking by editing the parameter, and your component will update. Once I'm happy with those inputs, I simply select OK, and there you have it. We have a shell component. So the shell command is quite intelligent. What I'm going to do quickly is just head over to my model browser and delete that shell that was just created to get back to my base feature. Now, as I was saying, it's very intelligent, so what I'm going to quickly do is apply some holes to this component, and we'll have a look at what happens when we shell this with the holes applied. Okay, so now we have two holes on either end of this part, and what we're going to do is now run the shell once again. Opens up the dialog box. All I have to do is decide where I want the material to go in my profile, inside, outside, or symmetrical on both ends. And over and above that, I can choose to remove a face. And what I'm going to do is grab the bottom, and once that selection is made, you'll notice that it removes the face, but it also shells around the holes, creating these pin-like features. Once I select OK, there you have it. There is our component relatively done, and it's a very quick and easy, efficient tool to use. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick short video, and hopefully it will assist you in learning and using Inventor. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more content, where we'll be showcasing some more of the Inventor features and how to use them.